All right, we're over here at the house on 6. We're taking a look at the foundation starting up. So right here, we got this happening under here. All this stuff's going on. We're gonna be replacing all these beams and leveling it out, you name it. Just wanted a little update here. So it's starting big time. Over here on day number 2, foundation's running. Got a lot of stuff already done. The yard got mowed yesterday by the neighbor for like 20 bucks. Pretty good deal. Not the best job, but not a bad job. Bunch of new beams. I think they're up in the house right now taking a look at stuff. Oh yeah. At least it's on PVC. Let's see here. Go take a look inside real quick. Oh my god. Better watch my step. This yard is dangerous. There's holes everywhere. This is that fun falling over building. Still here. Oh my god. Alright. They might be underground right now, and I just stepped on one of them. Definitely looks like something's moved. This whole thing is way higher than it was. Alright, well that's the place for now.